The UCO Flatpack Grill. Stainless steel construction. It's pretty neat. Meat, baby. A little black pepper. Now I'm adding a little paprika. Love my paprika. A little bit of basil. I thought about putting a little oregano on, but I didn't yet. I'm debating if I want to print chives, but it's a good basic setup. Just let the meat do its thing. I'll season this up a little more. Put some chives, a little bit on the chicken, a little bit of oregano on the burger. Oregano complements very well with ketchup and barbecue sauce. Kind of, when you taste it, it complements very well with, tomato-based stuff. It's not too bad. And I'm gonna put some onion flakes on my burgers. Hold off on the chicken. I just let that have the chives. And this should be pretty good. Now it's just a waiting game. Just rotated things up a little bit. Move the thicker cuts of chicken meat over to the hotter parts of the coals. And move the burgers over where it was a little cooler looking. Yeah, it's just relaxing watching that stuff cook. Oh yeah, baby. That's some meat grilling now. Chicken's definitely gonna take a while. It's frozen as it is. So yeah, very relaxing. Just sitting outside and grill. Great American pastime. Drinking me a little chamomile tea to try to counteract a little bit Dr. Pepper I had today. Myself go to sleep after this. UCO Flatpack. The one I got there is the standard large size. I also make a smaller one. It's a little more ideal for backpacking in. This one's a little good for like tailgating and stuff. But they fold down flat, real nice. When I bought this one, it didn't have a bag or anything. I have seen some people comment that more recent ones have bags with them. When I bought my tiny compact version, it had a bag I could store it in, so that's one nice thing. The legs just fold up over it, and you just pop the grill right off and set it in there with it. And it's not bad, but I picked that one up, I think Cabela's, and a small one I think I picked up on Amazon. And, you find them around. They come in pretty handy. I remember I had my large one for probably a good year before seeing a YouTuber, Mega Woods Walker, rest in peace. He had a couple of videos where he was using one, and I was like, oh cool, you know, he had something that somebody else already had and was doing a review on, so it's kind of nice. But I've had this one, a large one, for maybe 3 years or so. Small one I've had maybe for a couple of years. I might have this large one a little longer than that. It might have been 4 years, I don't know, but had it for a little bit. Comes in handy every once in a while when I just want to have a quick little grilling set up, and don't want to use a big grill, or just want something I can put wherever. Ooh, those are getting done. Won't have very long for the burgers. Chicken still has to go a while. So yeah, one of the nice things about a little flat pack grill like that is, you know, not only for tailgating, but let's say you go somewhere and you want to pack the extra weight to take a smaller version of that in, you know, and I mean, you got an area where they don't really want ground fires or something, you could use that as like a little portable fire pit. Bring you a little Ziploc bag full of charcoal with you, and set up your little cook area, you know, 150 feet away from your campsite, so you don't have the critters crawling all over you, and, you know, cook away and warm up your drinks and everything, and then once you're done, you know, you clean up and go rest in bed, and you know, you have all your food stuff separated. But yeah, it's got a lot of flexibility, and you know, it's neat. It's not ultralight, but it's not bad. Stainless steel, so it doesn't rust. I want to say, I'll post the prices out there, but I think the big one might have been $40, maybe 50 tops at the time when I bought it. Might not even be that much anymore. We'll see. The smaller one was a little bit less, but yep, I'm gonna go tend to the meat before she burns. Oh yeah. Let's say, I'd venture a guess, these burgers are pretty close to being done, if they aren't already. Get the chicken around a little bit too, so the side that was on the outside gets a little more attention. These burgers too. This one's definitely got a good amount of heat. Yeah, it's nice. Nice little hand warmer. Cozy up to it. So you just pop this grill right up. It just goes over the sides here, and then you just pop it off, and it comes with a little set of tongs of its own. I got them out in the garage, but yeah, you just pop that grill right off, and you know, you could use it like a campfire pit. That's what I did last night. I was camping out in a hammock, and just use it as a little fire pit out in the yard, so I didn't have to scorch the yard. And pretty neat piece of kit. The burgers are done. Move the chicken a little bit. Let him cook for a little while longer, and normally I'd sauce them up. I think I'm gonna put my sauce on the side tonight. Throw a couple of these on here real quick. Little thin bagels. I'm gonna use that almost like a toasted bun for the burger. I'm on there too long. Try to get both sides a little bit nice and warm and toasty. And some thick chicken. I put just a little bit of barbecue sauce on my burger. I'm gonna warm him back up for just a minute. Get him nice and hot. And I'm gonna put him on that bagel with the barbecue sauce and a nice slice of pickle. Moment of truth. That burger on there. Nice and slightly toasted. A little bit of sauce coming out. And that, my friends, is going to be awesome. And that chicken's about done. That's going to be some good eats there. A little tricky to hold it, but it looks delicious. That's good. It's real good. I know they always say it's impolite to eat on camera. It's gonna be great. Grilling season's coming back into season. So, if you guys like what you've seen, feel free to like, comment, subscribe. Get out there, try some things, make your own videos, man. Encourage you guys to get out and expand your horizons. Or live vicariously through those of us who are out there on YouTube. So, hope you liked everything. I'll catch you again in the outdoors. As always, thanks for watching. Delicious.